What's up, everybody? So here it is, 7 a.m. Thursday morning after Valentine's Day. It's 60 degrees and I'm riding my bike home from work.
Radio station ID.
Coming to work. Joe Dirte.
Don't try and church it up, son. Don't you mean Joe Dirt?
Valentine's Day. Did everybody have a good Valentine's Day? My Valentine's Day consisted of sleeping and being able to ride my bike to work.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
In the midst of trying to figure out what kind of video to make today, I was talking to Miss Peaches and Mr. Azcowie. Mr. Peaches, but Azkowsaki. Anyways, the question arose. Wintertime. For most of us that actually don't get to ride throughout the winter, how many of y'all put fuel stabilizer in your bike? If it has to sit all winter. How many people drain their tanks all the way down? How many people go out once a week and start their bikes and let it run for 15-20 minutes and then shut it off? I do it. I start my bike not really that often. Even though I've got fuel injection, I still do it. I don't need to, but I still do. I'm sure y'all can kind of see. I don't know if y'all can or not. I can see the roads are wet, but it ain't rain.
It's raining man.
It's because the other day it was 20 degrees outside and now it's 60 degrees outside, so all the roads are sloppy, wet, and sweating. It was actually really slick coming to work last night. I almost low-sided a couple times. So it's going to be it's a lot wetter now than what it was last night. It's going to be interesting to see. Let's see here. Ooh, yeah, spinning tires.
You have them spinning tires, do you?
But yeah, anyways. So, how many people do what to their bikes? Fuel stabilizer, empty your tanks, start it once, you know, once a week or maybe once a month, something like that. What else can I talk about? Well, I guess I get asked all the time about my daughter, and she's doing okay. She hasn't had too many more seizures or anything. She had an appointment with her neurologist the other day, and talking to the neurologist, they actually determined that they honestly believe she's actually ADD too. And I'm like, come on, man, she can't be all this shit. Cyst on the brain, epilepsy, and ADD. Come on. But that's what they say right now. Going over the symptoms and talking to them, I mean, it kind of makes sense on how she is and how she acts. I just, like every parent, nobody wants to believe shit's wrong with their kids, you know? But I know I get asked about her a lot, so I try to throw that in there. But it's almost race season. About time to set this bike up. I still need a back tire. It's still bold as shit. I still ain't got one. Come on, tax money. Yay! I'll get a back tire on this bitch and should be ready to race on down the road. about all I got left. I'm probably going to change the oil and stuff one more time in it. That's pretty much all I had to say today. I'm going to finish my ride home and hope you all have a good day. I'll catch y'all on the flip side.